Well, good afternoon to one and all present over here. Am I audible? Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
thank you so much. Still,
Yes,
the
sir.
very low participants are there. Approximately 4 to 5
Yes, sir.
participants are here. So we have been waiting, but there is not requirement to wait again because we don't have that much time. Already, we have been talking about the importance of communication, and through that, we have talked a lot about the such thoughts, great thoughts given by the great personalities. Now, just in the last this session, we are going to conclude for the importance of communication, and from that, we need to move forward. So here try to understand that what is the power of communication. If we need to communicate in an appropriate manner or in a well manner, so how you should build your relationship, how should you raise your values, how should you provide as well as raise your customers success as well and loyalty as well. So these things are expected here from the communication. Through that communication we are getting at least these 5 skills from powerful or the power of communication. So for that way, for that purpose, just for very few thoughts are there, enough thoughts are there to learn what is exact power of communication, and afterwards we will start our syllabus as per the structure. So first great thought is there in front of you, that is a good relationship starts with a good communication. So already we talked a lot about the what is the communication and how what is the basic needs of communication and what not. But simple one, while going to this directly to the structure of the syllabus, we need to learn that a good communication, a good relationship starts with good communication. Because if you talk in an appropriate manner, then your communication would be even good. Most of the times what happen, बघा मराठीमध्ये, in Marathi there is one proverb, डोक्यावरती बर्फाचा गोळा आणि तोंडामध्ये साखर किंवा जिभेवरती साखर जर असेल तर जगामधली कुठलीही अशी गोष्ट नाही की ती तुम्हाला पटवता येईल किंवा तुमच्या गोष्टी पुट फॉरवर्ड करता येतील. सो राग किंवा when you became angry, that time some misbehave would happen from your side. But if you are thinking by this way only, if you are talking in an appropriate manner and cool and calmly, so again everything would be enough good. So for that way, for that purpose, you need to maintain a good relationship. I can say starts with a good communication. So you need to maintain the communication, automatically your relationship would be good. I'm not talking too much about the relationship between two pairs. It is the common proverb, it is the common thought. So it may be from the society, it may be in the professional life or social life. So accordingly we need to think over it. Even though I have been attending the one of the professional FDPs on the same as the universal human values subject, and same things are happening here. How we need to behave, how we need to attend these things, how you need to be interactive with the people, how you need to be communicative with the people. So we need to focus on the same things. As I told you, you might have learned a lot of things about the I can say human values. It means that मूल्य शिक्षण, बघा मूल्य शिक्षण तुम्ही शिकला असाल, in fact in the schooling life or in the somehow in the pre-primary school as well. For that way we need to maintain, and from the communication this is the great scope to maintain the relationship in a proper manner through the communication only. Got it? I hope this is clear. Now already we have talked a lot more about the definition of communication, but still now here we need to focus what in the definition in the practical manner. So what is exact communication? From for the practical manner, I should understand, simple thing definition is there, I should understand that you understood in the way that I wanted you to understand. काय मला कळायला पाहिजे, आय शुड अंडरस्टँड, मला हे समजलं पाहिजे, व्हॉट दॅट यू अंडरस्टूड, की जे तुम्हाला कळलेलं कळायला पाहिजे होतं किंवा समजायला पाहिजे होते तुम्हाला समजलेलं आहे. इन द वे दॅट आय वॉन्टेड यू टू अंडरस्टँड, की ज्या मार्गाने मी तुम्हाला सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करतोय किंवा केलेला आहे ते तुमच्यापर्यंत प्रॉपरली पोचलं, इन फॅक्ट माय कम्युनिकेशन वुड बी सक्सेसफुल. म्हणून simple thing is there, we I should understand that you understood in the way that I wanted you to understand. Got it? So everyone would be active in the class henceforth, because in the next somehow the next presentation we are going to see the one best topic from the English language, that is article. Actually, we need to learn before the parts of speeches, but still as per the structure, we need to go ahead. Next and foremost thought is there in front of you about the communication. The biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand, we listen to reply, and that is fact. What happened usually, if suppose sir is trying to give the trying to ask the question, before going to complete the question students can reply. They don't understand what exact sir is expecting, what exact your subject teacher is expecting. By this way we don't do in this manner. So while communicating, while answering, while interacting with the people, we need to take little bit time to know, to become happy while giving the positive answer to the listener, speaker, or it means that against listener. So what is the communication cycle? Everything we are going to discuss in the subject as well, but still we need to go ahead in a simple manner. Understand? So the biggest communication problem is we do not listen to understand, we listen to reply. So try to hear onwards. We need to understand first and then reply. Anyway, your communication will be failure. Got it? One more additional thing is there given by the Warren Buffett. So anyone can unmute your mic and just read. Who is going to read the same thought given by the Warren Buffett? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So can you recognize who is the person there in front of you with Warren Buffett? Who are the two people are there in front of you? If you could have read the newspaper, you
Sir,
would.
Bill Gates.
Very good, absolutely true.
Sir, Bill Gates.
He is Bill Gates. So who is the
Bill Gates.
yes, who is the richest person in the world? So we can consider him that Warren Buffett is telling him what is the importance of communication. So anyone can unmute mic and just read thought.
Sir, I can.
Yes, please. Samruddhi, you can.
If you can't communicate, it's like winking at a girl in the dark. Nothing happens at all. You can have all the brain power in the world, but you have to be able to transmit it, and the transmission is a communication.
Very good. So simple thing is there. What if you can't communicate? It's like a winking at a girl in the dark. Do you know what is meant by winking? I hope everyone knows the meaning of the word wink. Even though if you don't know the meaning, you can check the dictionary. I'm not going to tell you the meaning of the word winking. So simple thought is there. If you can't communicate, it's like a winking at a girl in the dark. Nothing happens at all. काहीच होणार नाही लक्षात घ्या जरा. In fact, if you wink at the girl in the dark, because she will not see you. In fact, the result would not be there. So you can have all the brain power in the world, but we have all the brain power in the world, but you have to be able to transmit it. जगामध्ये सगळ्या व्यक्तींची ब्रेन पॉवर, सगळ्यांना दिलेला ब्रेन हा सारखाच आहे लक्षात घ्या, पण त्याचं ट्रान्समिशन कशा पद्धतीने होत आहे दॅट्स डिपेंड ऑन आवर पर्सनॅलिटी, आवर सक्सेस. सो हियर you can have all the brain power in the world, but you have to be able to transmit it, and the transmission is communication. Understand? And the transmission is communication. That definition is given by, or importance is given by Warren Buffett while talking with the Bill Gates. So I hope at least whatever things I told you before, you could get more things from this thought only. So we need to communicate. You should be able to communicate in an appropriate manner. I didn't ask you to talk in English only, but also in Marathi as well. But if your Marathi communication is enough good, your English communication would be appropriate. I cannot say fluent or enough good, but at least appropriate communication would be there. Try to understand, fetch the self motivation is required there to go ahead at the step ahead. So try to get these things in appropriate manner. Understand? Now next important thing is there, as you are the engineering students, and everyone is trying to or I can say everyone will try to fetch the opportunity from the MNC company, as I told you from the first lecture to up to the fifth lecture. What is exact requirement there for the company and how company is selecting students. So very few websites are there which are very important website for you guys. You need to visit that website daily, at least for 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You need to learn a lot of things. And the first website is there, indiabix.com or bixindia.com. So from that website, most of the company from the MNCs or any companies, they have been asking same types of questions. They have formulated one website named IndiaBix, and from that, most of the times this pattern is applicable by the any other companies of MNC. So visit the IndiaBix website. Variety of questions would be there, I can say. Impact for the HR questions, impact verbal ability, impact on the aptitude analytical skills, everything is there. Group discussion, present HR questions, how to give the interview, every question is there. And not only questions with, but also with the approximate 100 of the answers of each question. So everyone must note down indiabix.com. So anyway, you can take the screenshot of these two slides. Next one is the ambition box. You can also visit the website, that is ambition box. Next website is their ACE, the interview. So it would be the also useful for you. Gigs for gigs, it is also used for you. Saval aptitude, it is for also useful for you. Next, lead code, Gainlow, career cup, coder career, and interview up. These approximate 7 8 websites are there you can visit, but most probably you need to visit one the first website, that is IndiaBix, because each and every concept is there from this side. I hope this is clear to everyone. Got it? Thank you. Now, actually, this is the end of our 2-hour session, but we required 5 lectures here for the completion of this target. I hope this is clear to everyone. And from today onwards, or from the first day of the our lecture, you might have started the communication in English with your parents, with your younger elder brother, or customer care as well, or your colleagues as well. So you need to communicate in a appropriate manner with full motivation. Got it? Now we'll stop sharing here for 1 minute, and then we'll continue with the next slide. Is the screen visible clearly?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you so much. Now we are going to start our today's, as per the syllabus of the communication skills. We are here not only to learn, in fact, in the respect to theoretical background. Along with that, very few questions would be there. Objective questions would be there on the current topic, that is article. How need to answer of the same? You need to focus on the respective topic. Just second. Okay. The very important topic from the communication skills, that is articles. How we need to focus on the concept of articles, what is exact articles and what are the types of articles, and how we need to utilize that articles in our session or in our communication. That things we are going to discuss here onwards. So first, there are, as I told you in Marathi while describing the syllabus, articles means upapaday. So simple, there are 2 types of articles. As you answered, how many articles are there? As you have answered, there are 3 types of, or 3 articles. There are two types of articles, indefinite articles and definite article. So simple indefinite articles means अनिश्चित उपपदे and definite articles means निश्चित उपपद. मग आपल्याकडे तीन उपपदे आहेत, त्यातलं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन त्याचं बघा, ए करायचं नाही तर व्हॉट इज द इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स, and an. These are the two indefinite articles and the is the definite articles. Don't use the word a or an. Understand? And an are the indefinite articles and the definite article is the. So how we need to discuss what are the usage of or an in appropriate manner? Let's see simple. The use of an first, before going to start with the definite article, we need to complete the first indefinite article, and first is that use of an. So first rule, everyone must note down in your notebook, else you need to take the screenshot and you need to write afterwards. Anyway, you need to mention in your notebook everything. So before words beginning with vowel sounds a, e, I, o, u are called vowels, others are consonants. As I told you in the introductory part, what are the vowel sounds in English? How many vowel sounds are there? As the sounds are given here, 5: a, e, I, o, u. But we somehow there is the also restriction, somehow such a differentiation is there, how sounds are required, not letters are required. Understand? You need to focus here on the sounds, not letters. So I can say here just I will use the annotation, it would be useful for you. Try to understand the word sound, it would be beneficial to you guys, because not letters. So here a, e, I, o, u are the letters, but if the sounds are like this, e, a, e, I or o, u, then we can consider this is the vowel sound, and before that vowel sound or before that word we need to use article an. Understand? So for example here, an apple, an egg, an all. So don't consider that every rule is there. Try to remember only स्वरांच्या अगोदर, स्वरांच्या अगोदर, स्वर साऊंडच्या अगोदर असं म्हणा, नुसतं स्वर लेटर्स म्हणू नका, तर स्वरांच्या अगोदर वापरला सॉरी अँड हे वापरलं जाते इन मराठी. somehow it is difficult to tell. Next thing is there, okay. So next point is there, use of an. Second rule, before words beginning with the silent h but sounds as a vowel. Here we need to use, even though the words consonants like h is there, but sound, hidden sound is there or silent sound is there, h, we need to use article an. What is the pronunciation of the word HOUR? Anyone can?
Our.
Very good. सो बघा प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करत असताना हावर म्हणण्याची आपल्याकडे सवय होती किंवा काही जण म्हणत सुद्धा असतील, तर इट इज द करेक्ट प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ऑफ द वर्ड HOUR, that is R. Simple, the pronunciation is R. If you have listened from the British English or American English, it's not pronunciation like our, it's pronounced like R only. So but how it starts with Marathi I can understand here, or we can use here that things. In Marathi so it is difficult to use by mouse. So how these things, that's why I had asked you to do you know about the vowel sounds in Marathi? How many how many vowel sounds are there in Marathi? हे आर्टिकल शिकत असताना तुम्हाला जर मराठी मधले सगळेच्या सगळे वॉवल साऊंड्स माहित असतील, अ आ इ ई उ ऊ ए ऐ ओ औ, आणि आ हे वॉवल साऊंड्स नाही असून ते स्वरादी आहेत, लक्षात घ्या. बट रू अँड लू आर द वॉवल साऊंड्स. पण रू आणि लूचा इथं वाक्य आपल्याला कुठेही उपयोग होणार नाही, लक्षात घ्या. पण बाकीचे जे आहेत अ आ इ ई उ ऊ ए ऐ ओ आव यांचा जो उपयोग आहे तर तो इथं आपल्याला होतो. इनफॅक्ट व्हॉट एक्सपेक्टेड हिअर, if the h is there, even though sound is h, we need to use article an because it is silent sound h, even though it is the consonant. बघा हे व्यंजन असून सुद्धा इथं आपल्याला an वापरायचं आहे, कारण याचं मराठीमध्ये प्रोनाउन्सिएशन. आणि सिंपल एक साधी गोष्ट तुम्हाला सांगतो, ज्यावेळेस आर्टिकल यूज करायचं त्यावेळेस या शब्दाचं मराठी प्रोनाउन्सिएशन लिहायचं, या शब्दाचं मराठी प्रोनाउन्सिएशन लिहायचं. आता हे तुम्ही काय कदाचित चुकून चुकीचं लिहिण्याची शक्यता आहे. if you there might be such kinds of mistake while writing the word honest. Most of the students can write honest, but it would not be appropriate pronunciation of the word honest, so you need to write the word honest like this. Understand? So we need to focus here. आणि म्हणूनच तुम्हाला सांगतो, मराठीमधले जर हे स्वर काय करायचंय तर ह्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन, ह्याचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मराठीमध्ये लिहायचं आहे ऑनेस्ट. मग मराठीमध्ये लिहायचं म्हणजे पुढचं लिहित बसायची काय आवश्यकता नाही. पण पहिलं जर अक्षर जर मराठीमधलं अ आलं, आ आलं, ई आलं, अ किंवा ओ औ आलं तर इन फॅक्ट वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अँड देअर. गॉट इट? सो सिंपल थिंग इज देअर. अँड our, an honorable man, an heir, an honest man. So exact that things would be used there. Next, use of an, f, h, l, m, n, r, s, x are letters that are not vowel sounds but begin with vowel sound, so an is used before abbreviation beginning with these letters. जे असे लेटर्स आहेत बघा, एफ, एच, एल, एम, एन, आर, एस, एक्स, यांच्या अगोदर काय वापरायचं तर आर्टिकल अँड वापरायचं. कधी? when it is the begin with the vowel sounds. It's not vowel sounds but begin with vowel sounds, so it is used before abbreviations. नेहमी लक्षात घ्या की जिथे जिथे अब्रिव्हिएशन्स आहे तिथे तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, आर्टिकल अँड वापरायचं आहे. मग कसं आहे अँड MLA. मग आता हे इथं पण लक्षात घ्या आपल्याला काय अपेक्षित आहे तर हाऊ यू नीड टू राईट द प्रोनाउन्सिएशन और करेक्ट प्रोनाउन्सिएशन ऑफ द वर्ड MLA. MLA लिहित असताना मराठीमध्ये कसं लिहितो बघा आपण, हे ए लिहितो आणि हे एम. गॉट इट? मग हे मराठीमधलं हे जे पहिलं ए आहे, ए एडक्याचा म्हणतो आपण, तर हे काय आहे तर हे मराठीमध्ये इंग्लिशमध्ये वावल साऊंड. in fact what I told you, you need to translate that, you need to write the pronunciation of that word in Marathi. मग MLA असेल, MA असेल, MPSC असेल, अगेन MCOM असेल, जर अशा प्रकारचे शब्द आपल्याला समोर आले तर अब्रिव्हिएशन्स आले तर वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल and there. Try to understand. An NCC officer, again here if you write to word n, same word would be there, n. Got it? So here NCC officer, so like that. And FIR, if you try to write the word again F, so here again you need to start with the this letter with A. Next word is there an X-ray. Understand? Again an SP. So very few words are there with the same letters. We need to add article and there before these silent words, even though it is the I can say कॉन्झनंट्स. परत एकदा मराठीमध्ये सांगतो, जरी हे लेटर्स इंग्लिशमध्ये कॉन्झनंट्स दिसत असतील सॉरी, तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला या लेटर्स पूर्वी काय करायचंय तर ॲब्रिव्हिएशन्स असेल आणि त्याचं मराठीत ट्रान्सलेशन किंवा ट्रान्सलेशन किंवा मराठीतलं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन जर तुम्ही अशा पद्धतीने लिहित असाल किंवा लिहून जर अ आ इ ई उ ऊ ए ऐ औ ओ औ अम सॉरी ओ औ असं जर येत असेल तर वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अँड देअर. गॉट इट? गुड. सो नेक्स्ट रूल इज देअर इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, यूज ऑफ अ. आता इथपर्यंत समजलं सगळ्यांना की कशा प्रकारचं अँडचा यूज करायचा आहे. साधी गोष्ट मराठीमध्ये लक्षात ठेवा की तुम्हाला ह्याच्यामध्ये वावल साऊंड लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे. आणि कशा प्रकारचे वावल साऊंड लिहिणं अपेक्षित आहे तर अ, आ, ई, सॉरी इथं हे नसणार आहे, इथं ई असणार आहे, पहिलं ई इथं असणार आहे. ई उ उ ए ऐ ओ औ देन हे जे लेटर्स आहेत तर हे आपल्याला सगळ्यांना महत्वाचे आहेत, लक्षात घ्या. तर हे माहिती असणं अपेक्षित आहे आणि ह्याच्या आधारे आपल्याला चा उपयोग करता येतो. मग ज्या शब्दाचं ट्रान्सलेशन अशा अक्षरांनी होत नाहीये, इव्हन दो त्याच्यामध्ये अम्ब्रेला हा शब्द आहे किंवा तुम्ही यू फॉर अम्ब्रेला आहे, पण युनिव्हर्सिटी पण असतो, लक्षात घ्या शब्द. आता पुढे बघतोय आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये यूज करताना. तर युनिव्हर्सिटी शब्द स्टार्ट होताना हा यून होतो, लक्षात घ्या. म्हणून याच्या पुढे जरी तो यून स्टार्ट झाला असला, वॉवल साऊंड जरी दिसत लेटर जरी दिसत असलं तरी त्याचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन मात्र यू होतं, मराठीमधलं हे यू. ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड. म्हणून याच्या अगोदर ॲन वापरायचं नाही. अंडरस्टँड. युनिफॉर्म, युनिव्हर्सिटी याच्या अगोदर ॲन वापरायचं नाही, याच्या अगोदर अ वापरावं लागतं. का वापरावं लागतं ते आपण वन बाय वन बघूयात. गॉट इट. नाव इन द सेंटेन्स ऑफ वन, मग एकच्या जागी काय वापरायचं तर आपल्याला अ वापरायचं, लक्षात घ्या. ही कुडंट स्पीक अ वर्ड टू सेव्ह हिमसेल्फ. एक शब्दही तो बोलला नाही कारण त्यानं चूक केलेली होती. इनफॅक्ट ही वॉज दी डिझायरेबल टू गेट द पनिशमेंट. तो त्यानं एकही शब्द बोलला नाही. एक या अर्थानं, वन या अर्थानं सुद्धा अचा वापर केला जातो. येस प्रदीप, इज देअर एनी डाऊट? नेक्स्ट इज देअर बिफोर वर्ड्स बिगिनिंग विथ द कॉन्सोनंट साऊंड्स. सो बघा, जे काही कॉन्सोनंट साऊंड्स वर्ड्स तयार होतात, इनफॅक्ट वॉट मराठीमध्ये परत कॉन्सोनंट साऊंड्स लक्षात घ्या. क टू न्य, क ख ग ग लाईक दॅट टू न्य. यू नीड टू यूज द वर्ड इन मराठी. आय एम टीचिंग इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन, I am teaching articles in English language, but while using the article and you need to use the translation formula of Marathi language. I can say, if anyone is there from English language, Hindi language from, you can use Hindi language there. So this may be difficult to understand that thing, but it is simple rule. So here consonant sounds are there, like AEI. Apart from AEI OU, such kinds of consonant sounds are there. That time we need to use article where we can count a boy, a pen, a dog, like that. Next rule is there, use of a third rule with vowel letters having consonant sounds. For example, बघा, जरी मी मग सांगितलं की I have told already, if u is there but you need to use a there. University, a unique article, a unit, a European nation. बघा, हे जरी इन असलं किंवा हे जरी यू असलं तरी इथं काय करायचं आपल्याला, ह्याचं ट्रान्सलेशन मराठीमध्ये मी मग आता सांगितल्याप्रमाणे कसं असणार आहे तर how that translation would be there, like you, like you. Got it? So these things you need to expect here. And if you is there, your article would be a, not an. Understand? Now next rule would be there in front of you. With units and rates per. In fact, if units and rates पर या शब्दाने घेतलं जातं तिथं आपल्याला आर्टिकल वापरायचं, लक्षात घ्या. ही अर्न्स ₹500 अ मंथ. पर मंथ म्हणण्याच्या ऐवजी अ मंथ, अशा वेळेस आपल्याला काय करायचं, आर्टिकल अ यूज करायचं आहे. सो ट्राय टू अंडरस्टँड दिस थिंग्स केअरफुली देअर. नेक्स्ट रूल इज देअर अँड एक्सक्लामेटरी एक्सप्रेशन्स. ज्या ज्या वेळेस एक्सक्लामेटरी एक्सप्रेशन असतील त्या त्यावेळेस तुम्हाला आर्टिकल अ हे यूज करायचं आहे. व्हॉट अ पीटी और व्हॉट अ प्रेटी गर्ल. बघा, हाऊ न ज्यावेळेस एक्सक्लामेटरी स्टार्ट होतं त्यावेळेस त्याच्या अगोदर आर्टिकल अ हे येत नसतं. म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस when we have started the exclamatory sentence with how, there should not be use of article but when we start the exclamatory sentence with what, we need to use article there. So what a pity, what a pretty girl, what what an idea, like that we need to use. but it is the one type of I can say uh, proverb. So here it would not be use of an, it would be use of article a. नेक्स्ट रूल इज देअर टू रेफर टू अननोन पर्सन. जर एखादी व्यक्ती तुमच्याकडे अननोन असेल, कोणी आले माहित नाही, तुमचे तोंड ओळख बरे असेल पण तुम्हाला त्यांचं नाव माहित नाही, सो वी नीड टू यूज अ आर्टिकल देअर. सो अ मिस्टर रॉय इज ॲट द डोअर. कोण आहे मिस्टर रॉय? वी डोंट नो एक्झॅक्ट, बट अ मिस्टर रॉय इज देअर. अनोळखी पर्सन असेल, वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल द, सॉरी अ. अंडरस्टँड? टू मेक अ कॉमन नाउन ऑफ अ प्रॉपर नाउन. एखाद्या प्रॉपर नाउनचं कॉमन नाउन जर म्हणून यूज करायचं असेल तर वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अ. आता इथं ना टाइप्स ऑफ नाउन्स परत शिकणं अपेक्षित होतं. इनफॅक्ट व्हॉट वी नीड टू रिवाइज अगेन. So what is common noun and what is proper noun? Proper noun means the noun of the place, person. And what is common noun? The noun is a common for thing or per place. So here a Newton, he is a Newton म्हटले बघा. Newton हे person noun आहे. What types of noun is he? His noun पर्सनल बट युज्ड ॲज अ कॉमन नाउन. किंवा आपल्या मराठीमध्ये बघा, इंग्लिशमध्ये वन मोर सेंटेन्स लाईक दॅट, चेतन भगत इज दी शेक्सपियर ऑफ इंडिया, इज अ शेक्सपियर ऑफ इंडिया. मग शेक्सपियर हा ड्रामॅटिस्ट आहे, प्ले रायटिस्ट, तो इंग्लिश रायटर आहे, हे तुम्हाला सगळ्यांना माहिती आहे. पण हिअर चेतन भगतला त्याची कॉम्प्लिमेंट दिली, कॉमन यूज म्हणून, कॉमन नाउन म्हणून यूज केलं जातं. सो वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल देअर. Yes, Vikar, we wish to say something. Virkar, Vikas. Okay. So yes, sorry. Now you can mark your roll number through the chat box because last 2 minutes are there. One more additional rules we will discuss of these things up to this time. Use of article the to refer to a particular person or thing. So मला वाटतं अच कळलं असेल सगळ्यांना. बेसिक रूल आहेत. त्याच्यामध्ये पहिला आहे जो कॉमन नाउन म्हणून वापरला असेल पर्सनल नाउन, तर तिथं आपल्याला आर्टिकल यूज करायचं आहे अ. टू रेफर टू अननोन पर्सन, तिथं आर्टिकल यूज अ वापर करायचे. नेक्स्ट एक्सक्लामेटरी एक्सप्रेशन्स असेल तिथं यू नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अ. विथ युनिट्स अँड रेट्स पर वी नीड टू आर्टिकल यूज आर्टिकल अ. विथ वॉवल लेटर्स हॅव्हिंग कॉन्सनंट साऊंड्स, वॉवल लेटर्स आहेत पण त्यांचा साऊंड हा कॉन्सनंट्स आहे, वी नीड टू यूज आर्टिकल अ. And last thing is there, use of article a before words beginning with the consonant sounds. Got it? So simple things are there, we need to answer. Now before going to conclude today's session, everyone must mark your attendance, and we will discuss the use of article the in the next lecture. But before going to conclude for the today's session, I have 2 questions everyone must answer. First question is there, if one